Hi everybody, I'm Brian McLeod with HGR Industrial Surplus. We're going to take a visit down aisle 5 today and check out some of the vertical mills and boring drills and some of the different equipment we have, so come along with me. So here you have one of your base models. It's a jet vertical mill. They're very versatile machines. They can be used anywhere from a novice to a hobbyist all the way up to major facilities. They have all the same features as the more advanced ones, minus the CNC functionality. So if we take a look at this one next to it, which is a Bridgeport, this is one that we have available that has CNC capabilities to it. It has the same basic features that you can use in manual mode, but it also has the functionality of the CNC. So as you can see, we have a wide variety of vertical mills, and we have a high turnover rate with them. They're something that's very popular at HGR. A lot of people want them, they're in demand because they're so versatile and because they're affordable. We have some that are priced as low as $800 or $900, and then we have some that are priced all the way up $13,000, $14,000, depending on the level that you require. So here we are in the second part of aisle 5, where we have a wide variety of machines that we offer. We have everything from the automated vertical mills to CNCs. We have press brakes, a wide variety of those, different brands that you can select from, as well as radial drills, boring mills. We have brands that you've seen prior, like Jet. We offer Jet model boring mills and radial drills as well. We also have CNC plasma cutters and tables. We offer a variety of these as well. This is something that I aspire to get one day myself. Very exciting to see these in here. So here on the back end of aisle 5, we have some more of our vertical machining mills and horizontal machining mills. So if you have any questions about pricing or availability, we have sales reps available Monday through Friday, and you can also visit our website at www.hgrinc.com, and we'll see you next time around.